I am Zoila. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Irwin Aldo.
Where are you from?
I am from Peru. And you?
Yes, I am from Peru too.
What city are you from?
I am from Iquitos. And you?
I am from Pisco.
What is your cell phone number?
It's 945328771. What about you?
It's 96377933352. What is your email address?
My mail address is Irwin_31 at gmail.com. And yours?
It's zoila_rc20@gmail.com.
It's a pleasure to meet you. See you soon.
Okay, Aldo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.